Welcome to Obello how-to videos. In this video, I am going to show you one of Obello's really cool editor features, which is the ability to use shapes as image and video masks. So let's take a look at how it works. I am in the editor. I have a template opened. The first thing I'm going to do is go over to the left nav to shapes. I'm going to select a square. Let's give this a bit of a corner radius. So a couple of shapes. Okay, so move this first shape up here. Okay, so we have a couple of shapes. I'm going to select the first shape. When you select the shape, you have the option to insert media, which brings up your photography library. Let's pick one of these beautiful images. The image is cropped and placed inside of your shape. I'm going to select the second shape, insert media. I'm this time going to go down to my video library. I'm going to choose this coffee video. And there you go. It is also cropped and placed inside of the shape. Let's preview this now video template. So I go down and I select play. And there it is. Looking pretty good. You can even add an image mask to a custom SVG shape. I'll show you how to create custom SVG shapes in another video. But that's it. That's how you can use shapes as masks for both images and videos in Obello. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.